equal group problems. And with equal group problems, ladies and gentlemen, okay, you are looking for problems that fall into this pattern. Write this down. Number in each group times the number of groups equals the total. What we're looking at is the multiplication pattern problems. The book tries to get you to think about, God bless you. The book tries to get you to think about stuff in pattern forms. Here would be for instance, there were 232 7th grade students in each classroom. There were 232, is that right? Oh, students in 8 classrooms. How many in each classroom? And part of the problem is to figure out, they don't always use the word groups, so you kind of have to figure out what is a group of something. So you sit here and you look at all the nouns in this sentence. What are the nouns?
Student.
Student is a noun. Classroom is a noun. Is there a pronoun? What is that? There were.
I, were, was, and did.
Which one of those actually means a group of something? Is a student a group of something? Is a classroom a group of something? As you look in the classroom here, is there a group of something in here? Does each person, I guess a person is a student, might be a group of cells, but we're not talking about any cells in there. In here we have what? What is a group of what? In a classroom, Tyler, it's a
Group of students.
group of students. So if you put that into this pattern here, okay, the number of, group means classrooms, so we would have the number of students in each classroom times, what's the group word we use for group? Classrooms, times the number of classrooms equals the total number of kids. Which ones of those do we know? Do we know how many students are in each class? Do we know how many classrooms we have? Or do we know how many total students we have? Which two of those three do we know? Give me one, Carter Westfall. Do I know how many students are in a class? How many classrooms do I have?
8.
8.
8 times.
Now, wait. Now, do I know how many total kids I have, or do I know how many students are in each class? Carolyn? Total or students in class? Total. I know there are a total of 232 students, and what I don't know is how many students in each class. So here is your actual problem. How do I find the answer to that? Just because it's a multiplication problem doesn't mean you multiply to find the answer. The first thing you would do, Amelia, is,
Divide.
yes, think of an easier problem. 5 times 3 is 15. And if I don't know the top here, if I didn't know this was a 5, what do I do with 15 and 3, you, Amelia?
Divide.
Divide, so that's the same thing I'll do here. I take 232 divided by 8 and hope that it works out evenly, does it? How many times is 8 going to 23?
2.
What?
2.
2, which is 16, and then I get 72, which is 29. S is 29. Jumping a little ahead, are we, Davis?
Yes, Max, you're jumping too.
Now, this one just to throw you off here, open your book to page 79, please. And look at practice problem letter A. By the way, the directions say follow the 4-step method to solve each problem. Well, our steps would be just to write the pattern out. Look at letter A. Marcy collected $4.50 selling lemonade at 25 cents for each cup. How many cups of lemonade did Marcy sell? So if I write that out in my little thing here, I have the number, what does it say? What is my thing here? Number in each group, number in group, times the number of groups, and I get a total. How do I get that whole lemonade thing to fit into that pattern of a problem? What is a group of something in that problem? What are our nouns? Well, we got Marcy. She's not going to be a group of anything. We've got $4.50. We've got lemonade. We've got cups. We've got, that's about it. Anybody? What's a group of something? This one isn't as obvious as others there. Wade says a cup is a group of what?
Water.
Cups are not a group of lemonade. I'm not looking for, cups are not, I mean, you put lemonade in a cup, but you can't count lemonade. Do I have 5 lemonade? No. Brant!
Is it a group of money?
Cup is a group of money.
No, I mean
No. Cup is a group of money. A cup is a group of cents because for every cup, you charge so much, right? Is every cup 25 cents? So for every cup, you get a group of money. Okay? So, the number of cents in each cup, so we go dollars in each cup is what you put here, times the number of cups will give you the total. Which of those do I know? Do I know how much total money I have? Yes or no?
Yes.
How much?
Yeah. $4.50.
Well, we gotta write it all in cents because we're not gonna do it the decimal. Do I know how many cups I have?
No.
Nope, so that's my letter C.
Yeah.
And then how much is each cup worth?
25.
25 cents. So this would be your equation, pattern that you would use to find. And then I think of an easy problem, a multiplication problem, maybe 2 times 4 is 8. If I'm missing the middle, what do I do with 8 and 2 to get 4? What do I do with 8 and 2 to get 4? Divide again. So it's going to be 450 divided by 25, which is, what?
18.
18
I said 18.
cups, sorry. So you have to sell 18 cups. Right there. So there is